Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I'm revisiting this IBX system. I used it a while back and I did use it for, I don't know, it was about 3 months. And when my problem cleared up, I just quit using it. And then now, since we're back to total complete nubs on this hand, nub on the thumb, and you know, these I'm just going to do them just because if I'm going to do it, I'm going to do all of them. So I am going to go in and do the whole system again today. I'm going to start with the repair, and then I'll finish with the strengthening, and then after this week I'll only be using the strengthening. Now this system is designed normally to be used in a salon setting, so you wouldn't do this every time you do a manicure. You would not do it every week. In fact, it's suggested that you do it every 2 to 3 weeks, like if you were going to, a salon and having your nails done. So we're going to get started. And now this is a long application thing. I mean, I had to pull out the instructions and refresh my memory because we're going to apply a thin layer of the repair over the nail, and then it's going to get heated under, you can heat it under a lamp, like a 75 or 100 watt light bulb, or I'm going to use my nail dryer. It's just an air dryer. It's got a warm setting, and I'm going to do that for 1 minute, and then I'm going to blot it, and then I'm going to put it under my UV LED lamp for the normal time like I would if I was doing gel polish, which will be 60 seconds. So after that, we'll cleanse it with some alcohol, and then we'll start in with the second step. So I'm going to only show you on one hand. I'm just going to show one nail, but I'm going to do all 10 nails exactly the same. I just don't want this video to be forever long. I was asked a couple of times about this and how I liked it. I do really, really like it. I did mean to come back and give updates and all that, but if something's working and you're having good luck with it, you just use it, and like me, I tend to forget. So we're going to hop right on in and get going on this. Okay, so we're going to get started here with IBX repair. I've left one nail undone. I've already gotten the rest of them ready. And the way I like to do this is after I get the cap open, I like to scrape off the stem, one side completely, and then the other side I just tap on the side. That way it just leaves a little bit of product. I'm going to do a really, really thin coat. I'm going to try to avoid getting any of this on my skin. And we're just going to go over that nail, making sure to cover all of it. If I had any free edge, I would go across the free edge, but I do not have any. So there we go. Now I'm going to put this under my heating air dryer, not the UV lamp, just the hot setting or the warm setting on my nail air dryer. You can hold it under a lamp like I said, but I'll be right back after I do that. Alrighty, now that it's out of the heat lamp or the heat dryer, I'm just going to take a lint-free wipe and I'm just going to blot all of the nail. Blot it, and you don't want to rub it, you just want to press down and blot it, just like that. And you can see the difference between this nail and this nail. You can still see quite a bit. So the blotting does remove some of the excess. Okay, now the instructions say to put it under my UV LED lamp for however long you normally use it for curing it, like gel polish. So I'm going to put this under my UV LED lamp for 60 seconds, and I'll be right back. Alrighty, we're out of the UV lamp. It was 60 seconds under the UV LED lamp. And I'm going to use a new clean lint-free wipe. And I'm going to use my 91% alcohol. You could use any kind of cleanser that you would use for your nails. And I'm just going to rub over each of the nails. And I'm just showing y'all on one, so I don't know why I'm going through the whole thing. So we're going to, I'm just going to go ahead and do all of them real quick. But you just rub over them real quick. You don't have to be all crazy about it. And that removed the rest of that. So I'm going to set that to the side. Next we're going to go in with the IBX strengthening. And we're going to do the same as I did with the other one. I like to clean the neck or the stem off. clean off one side completely, and then on the other one I'm doing it about half to where there's just a little bit of product. Actually, I'm going to take a little bit more than that off, where you can just still barely see some on the brush. Not completely dry brushing, but you know, just get it, because you're going to want to do really thin layers of this stuff. And I'm going to get a little bit more off the brush. And here we go. We're just going to try to get it on the nail without getting it all over my skin. Okay, so I'm going to do that to the rest of the nails, and then I'm going to put it under my warm air dry setting on my nail dryer, and then we'll be right back. Alrighty, I am out of the warmer. I guess that's what I'm going to call it, because they say to warm it, and I'm blotting off the excess. And now I'm going to put it under the UV LED lamp for 60 seconds, and then we'll be back. Alrighty, we are back after the putting it under the UV LED lamp for 60 seconds, and now I'm just going to clean it off with some alcohol and a lint-free wipe. And if you're doing this for the very first time, and I probably should have done this time, is go ahead and repeat the process all the way through another time. But I'm just going to leave it at the 1 and just see how it goes. And I will repeat this process in 2 weeks. And I just read a comment from one of my other friends on YouTube that has also been using this system. And she said that she has really seen some results with her nails, that she had some nails that were really bad off, and they're definitely stronger and longer and better healthy than she's ever had it. But she gave me a tip that I wanted to share with you. And she said that she is doing the treatment also under the nail on the, you know, on what's sticking out. And I think that's a really good idea. So I will keep you guys posted. I will try to do better this time and keep you guys posted on my journey again. But I figured with these being all the way back that this would be a really good time to revisit this system. And like I said, I will try to do updates. So I'm going to mark it on my calendar so that I can do this again in 2 weeks. And we'll just see how this goes. Y'all see my nails all the time on my videos, so y'all will be able to see if they're improving right along with me. So that is it for me today. I want to thank you all for watching, and until next time, be good to yourself. Talk to you soon. Bye.